What? You got a little fun.
Are you wearing the nasal strip?
Isn't this how you wear the nasal strip?
No, you missed.
I thought if something's not working on the package, it said to put it on, but I can't breathe any better, and I'm just wondering what's going on.
Oh, I thought you were trying to move the hair from your lip.
I would stop. Ugh. Okay.
Very nice. Very
Okay,
nice.
here we go. That's how it's supposed to work.
What is that?
Where's
Does
your
that
helmet?
work? Hey now.
It'll at least remove any blackheads.
Or, you know, I can always take the blackheads, those blackhead strips.
Is that what that is? Breathe right.